MC and welcome to my RX8. Now you may be thinking, oh, what's Adam doing off to a evening car show? But no, it is the morning car show. It is the morning. It is 4 o'clock in the morning. I woke up at 3:30 in the morning and I'm heading to Silverstone for JapFest. This is my first Jap car and I thought I'd take it to its first car show in style. This is the UK's biggest Japanese car show. And I'm meeting up with Boss Cars UK to display my car on their stand, and they are convoying from Cobham Services and they're leaving at 5. So you may be able to tell my voice is a little bit croaky because it's a little bit early for a car meet, or for anything, like no one else is on the roads at the moment, which is nice. But I'm gonna get there and I won't fall asleep. That's the plan for today. And I'm going to be showing off this very standard stock Mazda. Including that exhaust that needs to be changed soon. Ah! My GoPro fell off. Bear with. I thought that might... Oh dear! Ah! Almost died. And we're off! Right. But as with most of my videos, it's a rather boring motorway journey there, so I will catch up with you once I am at Cobham Services. Right, I have made it onto the M25. A few cars ahead of me, there is something that looks Japanese. It looks like a wide-body 350Z. Well, we're getting some sounds. Wow, there's some neons. Oh! There's lots of S-body cars. I don't know which group is our group. I think I might put some oil in the car because, you know, rotary woes. Drink the oil. And straight away another rotary engine. So far we've got 3 rotary cars. We've got some S-bodies, an R34 there, a couple of S14s. There's the 350Z I followed in. R34 GTR. That is owned by SV Wraps, who recently restored my wheels for me on my RX8. Sound fruity. The echoes off that lorry. Oh, it seems another RX8's turned up. Look, there's a cloud of white smoke. Well, I think it's time to roll out. Breakfast had. There's a nice Subaru over there. Let's get some rolling shots and flybys. I'm being useful. Right, I think we are rolling out. I can't hear my car. They all sound so good. Sight to behold. The sun is rising and the JDM cars are out. Now I don't know if I'll be able to catch up with them, keep up with them. We got R34 GTR next to me, we've got a PS13, S14, 2 S15s, 2 RX7s, including that one RX8, me, 350Z wide body, which is just here. Oh, there's 2 S14s, my apologies. Without a shadow of a doubt, the slowest car here. All these cars are pretty much turbocharged as well. Mine's not. Mine's just one big wankle. Well, apparently the RX8 isn't a wankle, but I'm going to call it a wankle. These cars sound amazing. quietest car of the lot, as well as the slowest car of the lot. This is also the cheapest car of the lot, as well as the quietest car of the lot, as well as the slowest car of the lot. I'm not doing well. That Supra looks cool with the VL side kit. Right, we've got some flybys coming out. We've got GT86. Not quite. There we go. We've got an S14 coming out. Here we go. Okay, that was a bit quiet. Look at that. Sunglasses hole. Oh yes, that's better. So we have finally pulled off the motorway. We found some nice country B roads. The sun's out. The sun is shining. It is a lovely day today. It's still very early. It's 6:55, it's coming up to 7. But yeah, we're just following the lead car, the R34 GTR. So this car isn't very fast on the motorway section because that's just kind of 70 mile an hour section. This is better kind of second gear to third gear, high RPM. That's where the torque really, you really feel the torque in this car. So these roads, it's kind of quite fun. What a lovely day for a drive, and these roads aren't bad either. We're just cruising though, trying to keep the convoy together. Oh, the R34's just shot off ahead. But we are just approaching now, and normally, well, last time I came here, what we've just come off, there was like 5 miles of tailback traffic for like the general public to get in, but because it's 8 o'clock and we're early, I mean public doesn't arrive till 10, 2 hours time, there's nothing at all. So let's hope there's no traffic going into the actual event. I've probably spoken too soon. There'll probably be yards of it, but we'll see. Right, so we have kind of made it. Kind of made it.
Yo!
Hi.
Hi, man. You got it here then?
Yeah, made it. Just about. Make some noises. Whoa! Wonder if I can hear my car. Yay, I could hear it for once. So we have arrived at the grassy area and we're going to try and find our pitch. Ah, Boss Cars UK, here we go. Here we are. Am I kind of in line with you? Right, so now we wait for all the rest of the cars to turn up, I think, because we were the first here. So here we are on our stand. I've got a front row seat in a way. Lovely R34 drift car over there next to a yellow Supra. We've got a lot of cars from the convoy, but not all of them. There's probably about 2/3 left, I'd say, which is good because we've got to fill all this green. Yeah, represent.
Right.
Can't believe I'm prepping down a £500 car. It's ridiculous. So there are 29 cars on our stand, which is this little patch here. So I will probably have to move a little bit closer later, which means that tree's in my way. Started the day right. I mean, it's still early days, but even though my car is just a kind of boring, standard, everyday Mazda RX8, I haven't actually. Oh, there's one over there. Okay, I've only seen one RX8, and that is in the Mazda section. Oh, there's two. Okay, that's two. Okay, there's a few. More and more arriving. I've just gained 70 horsepower. Oh. Yes. There we go. Oh, it's not central. Oh well. Are we stuck? So here is the Boss Car stand. This is pretty much all of us. I'm tucked in the corner there. Noises. Yeah, so this is us. Everyone's spraying and detailing their engines. So a little look around the finalised Boss stand. We've got the Integra, we've got an MR2, Supra, GT86, a few Supras. There's 3 Supras there with the R33 and an R34 in the middle. We've got this R34 GTT with the GTR body kit that has only just been fitted. This is his debut with real fake rotors. We've got an RX7 S15 ×2, naturally aspirated versus turbocharged. Evo 350Z, couple of Lexuses, another R33, two S14s next to a Subaru, my RX8 and an Evo, and finally a mad Supra next to an R35 GTR. So I've turned the car around so we can all be kind of in uniform. I've put some business cards on because I'm that guy. And I'm going to sign off this video because I'm going to go look around, but that will be a separate video, so check that out. So this was the Boss Cars Convoy to JapFest. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for a weekly list of all these kind of shows. But for now, thanks for watching.